Encounter the mythos of motorsport. The Ferrari 330 P4, created during the zenith of motorsport, exemplifies exceptional engineering and design. Following Ford's victory at Le Mans in 1966, Enzo Ferrari recognized the necessity to assert his supremacy and commenced the construction of the apex of sports prototype race cars. In 1967, he accomplished this objective with the Ferrari 330 P4, not only securing victory but achieving a 1-2-3 finish at Henry Ford's home circuit of Daytona. The competition between Ford and Ferrari was, in essence, a boon to the world that contributed to the creation of some of the most historically significant and aesthetically remarkable automobiles ever produced. This copy, expertly created by Rod Tempero in New Zealand, embodies the essence of that legendary era, merging historical relevance with contemporary craftsmanship. Artistry and aesthetics. Handcrafted excellence, constructed by esteemed artisan Rod Tempero in 2010. This reproduction exemplifies his traditional techniques inherited through generations. The lightweight aluminum chassis has accurate body lines and dimensions faithful to the original P4. Aerodynamic elegance. The 330 P4 features a long, low body and sweeping curves, presenting a design that is both visually remarkable and functionally superior, epitomizing the zenith of aerodynamic engineering. Become part of the legacy. 2 Ferrari 330 P4S and 1 Ferrari 412P, the privateer variant of the P4, finished simultaneously at the 1967 24 Hours of Daytona. Only 3 authentic P4S were constructed, with a 4th P4 modified from a P3 by the manufacturer, and because to their immense historical value, the costs of these vehicles are exorbitant. The Ferrari 330 P4 represents passion, creativity, and triumph. This replica provides the aesthetic appeal and thrilling driving experience of a pivotal Ferrari model at a significantly reduced cost, rendering it attainable for a new generation of aficionados. The 1967 Ferrari 330 P4 Replica captivates enthusiasts with its illustrious history and enduring design, providing a unique appeal for all automotive aficionados. Acquire a fragment of automotive history and join the legacy that influenced the realm of motorsport.